Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Wednesday, January 10th, 2024. Let's find out what is going on the Ethereum to Tether at the Zondacrypto exchange. So we are looking at the daily time frame chart, and we can see straight on that the Ethereum is again approaching the supply zone. Let's mark this supply zone so everyone stays on the same page with me. So this is the zone here, 2440. That's the first level of the zone. The second level of the zone is of course here, just a little bit below 4343, and the third level of the zone, which is located at the level of 2395, has been breached already. So right now daily candle looks very bullish. Daily candle looks like it's about to break even higher and make new 2024 yearly high. Nevertheless, please notice that recently we got pin bars after every attempt of a breakout higher. The momentum is quite strong, and we can back it up by looking at the RSI, relative strength index oscillator. So what we can see here is that the RSI is at the level of 61 points, is positive, is strong. So the bulls are in control of the market. We should see extension to the upside, as there is a room here on the RSI indicator. So we didn't hit the extremely overbought level just yet. There is room to the upside. Of course, there's a room to the upside whatsoever. If we add moving average channel based on the 20 last days, we can see that just recently we broke 2 times below this channel, but the market come back very shortly back towards the channel again. So if we consider these levels here, 2113 and 2100 as the technical support for the market, if we can add one more historic level from the past, 2132, as the one that can create another demand zone, we can see that this is a pretty strong demand zone, and every time we hit this level, the market tried to run higher, right? So maybe the history will repeat itself, and we will see another attempt to move above the demand zone. So if you still don't know and you are confused, let me just place my big blue candle, arrow, of course, on the candlestick pattern, to remind you guys and notify you guys that this is the very important zone for the Ethereum. If we take a look at the different, let's say, moving averages, for example, and we will take a look at the moving average, let's say 100 and 200 moving averages. So we need to change this inputs 200 and 100. We can see it clearly, but we need to zoom out, that we are trading way above those two, and we got this golden cross that was made back in 2023. We are definitely above the 100 periods moving average. We are definitely above the 200 periods moving average. Nothing changes here, and most and the different information is that those moving averages are getting apart from each other, which means that the average price is getting even higher, right? So right now the outlook remains bullish. We should see some kind of a breakout above the recent high at 2440. We should see new yearly high on the Ethereum, and this situation might be very interesting for bulls, as the trend, the prevailing trend, as you can see here, is still up, and the prevailing trend is still intact. So we are continuing the trend from the 2023 back in the 2024. The key technical zone, as you can see here, big zone here, is located between 2100 to 2132. As long as we trade above this zone, outlook remains bullish, uptrend is intact. We should see new swing high in 2024 soon. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.